To send a message, press 2. To change your personal options, press 4. To disconnect, press star. First saved voice message. Sent Friday, January 15th at 1:57 p.m. from phone number 586-859-5019. Duration 16 seconds. You are such a piece of shit.
Just let it go.
End of message. To erase this message, press 7. To save it, press 9. To hear more options, press 0. Message erased. Next message. Sent Friday, January 15th at 2:37 p.m. from phone number 586-855-9019. Duration 2 minutes, 8 seconds.
You know what, you little sawed-off fucking runt? You are such an ungrateful fucking bastard, it's unbelievable. I delivered